and load them up. I ain't gonna lie, I already shot it because I had to make sure it worked. I ain't even want to go through all the bull crap of recording and it's not working in here. You feel me? I got a smudge on my lens. I gotta get that wiped off. Y'all see? Got a little bump. But now I learned I gotta speak a little bit louder. Now I'm not gonna lie, anything a FRT and this 9mm, I'ma like it because it's gonna be a flat shooter for me. I mean, I did also buy something else recently, which I'll be shooting in the same video, but it's mainly about, you know, this M&P. Like, I like Glock FRTs, but it's just something about this M&P that it's just much simpler to set up. Now, I'm gonna try the 10mm also this video, but then I may or may not, I might just shoot that regular. It just all depends. I brought the 40 also. I also brought the 40, so. You feel me? I brought the 40. Hopefully y'all hear me. Y'all know what time it is. I got it on camera. Make sure. I'm not gonna lie. You can't go wrong with the Freedom Figure FRT. I already know I got folks walking around, looking in here. But, okay, one thing we gonna do before we not do it. Let's clean this bad boy up real quick. Make sure it's gonna run perfectly, cause, hold on, y'all. We gotta spray them up. You feel me? We're gonna spray them up real quick. We're gonna do that. We're gonna make sure that's straight. We're gonna go. I'm gonna spray a little bit. Make sure that. Now this time, because last video people was crying about me turning it completely around. This is the FRT. That's all I'm gonna say. That's the FRT. We're gonna throw this back in the bag. And then we finna start another mag. But I'm not gonna lie, I can't go wrong with it. And it's the full size. I'm almost my next purchase for M&P is gonna be the full size. It's gonna look just like this, but it's just gonna be 45. Then I'll be done with that collection. You feel me? It gotta be a 2.0 though. But yeah, like you can't go wrong with this bag. I'm not gonna even lie to you. You can't go wrong with that freaking FRT. Like, I don't think no other FRT for handguns is doing that right now. I mean, he is making the TARs. I think that's TX22 that he making. Hopefully that y'all can hear me. I hope y'all can hear me. If not, I'll just throw some music over this back. Boy, I mean, there's no way for me to check it because I'm using this screen right here. It's a little screen that I can see myself and y'all can see. Well, y'all can't see, but it's so I can see myself and record it until. But what we're gonna do now? This will be the third mag. This one is oiled up. Mags. To y'all, so that was just me right out the box. Now I did get this M&P from Adventure Outdoors. My turn, and I'm finna run it all the way out, all the way out. Oh, no, it ain't. He has the mag dump. I'll go FRT. He had a mag dump. I go straight. I ain't gonna lie. Can't go wrong. I only got 4 left in that in this box of Winchesters right here. This is what I use. But hopefully it don't want to what you call it. Shit.
There's a clip in there, like a magazine. It'll hold the mag. You don't necessarily need to put it in there.
But soon, I normally make the whole range. But I'm gonna put this bad boy to rest, and then I'm gonna go into the new gun I got also yesterday, which I've been had this gun on layaway for a very long time. I think 2 months. That's too long for me. I'm not gonna lie. It ain't an FRT. It's not an FRT, but it's a Glock, and it's a 10 millimeter.
Do you want to shoot the AR then? You want to shoot the AR?
So the gun that I have is the Glock 40 and 10 mil. And 10 mil. I put in the Glock.
Wait,
Huh?
fully out?
No, that's an FRT.
Is this legal?
Yeah, that's an FRT. Force set trigger. If you look up freedom finger trigger, pop up.
That shit is dope. That's what's up.
Yeah. Thank you. Fully out. I ain't trying to go to jail. You feel me? I ain't trying to go to jail, but you know how that goes. That I get that all the time. Like when I'm in a range, people like, "Is that fully auto?" Like myself, when I'm not recording, but it looks like it. But then when they see it, I'm not running no switch. I'm not running switches. But speaking of this Glock 40 Gen 4, I put the solid optic on there. Wish that was. It was on my P80, but not on there now. I did like I did 5 shots out of it before the camera started. It's a flat shooter, I'm not gonna lie. I actually like my gun. But shots out of it. Am I tripping? Solid. First shot. Right up. Let me get my grip right here. Hold on. The camera. So what I'm gonna do from keeping the camera from moving is I gotta lock this real quick. The only way I'll like it to down, but yeah. This is why I like to because when I'm trying to shoot here, y'all should get it. Anybody who be at the range, a camera, a real camera, you know your camera gonna move. Now, I do have an M&P. I take the FRT off the 9 and put it on the 10. That's something I'd rather do outside. Only because that boy be jumping. Okay. Oh, and then I'm running out of the 40. I'm running, was it Sally and Ballard? I've been had this box for a long time. I know some of them are not gonna be able to hear me. I know for a fact a lot of the stuff y'all are not gonna be able to hear me, but yeah. What y'all hear, y'all hear. So we're gonna go with it. Over here. I'm looking at y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I like it, but I'd rather run it outside. We're gonna run some more this FRT. Of course, a Winchester. 115 grain. And then I'm gonna go over the rules. Everything can work. That's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Hold on. I gotta turn the whole camera around now to fix it. Because the gimbal went in sleep mode. Hold on. There we go. Gimbal go in sleep mode. The whole camera do whatever the fuck it wants to do after that. So, but the it's like the gimbal can't handle. Oh wait, hold on. I need to clean the camera off actually. I can see the little glare from the dirt right there. I ain't worried about it. I'm not gonna lie. We can worry about that later. But
how long is the flight?
11, a little over 3 hours for
yeah, so for the next range day, it's definitely gonna be. Yeah, the next range day is gonna be outside. I'm not gonna lie. Also, now that I run stuff. I ain't gonna even put the FRT. Smith video. Folks come in here like, I can't wait to do the club. I know. Definitely finna add up some.
Let's do a drill real quick. So we're going to start at the center chest here. So we call this a safety circle.
You know, we go all the 16 on this 9. I don't know. So my goal is to run the full magazine. Because normally I feel like I'm done because I'm so used to shooting like 15 out of the what I might do is gonna be we're gonna get right here. We gonna move. Rock out with me. Let's rock out. I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna let y'all. I'm gonna make it a little bit lower for y'all so y'all can kind of see. Cause I'll be shooting down, so if it raise me up. Gotta throw some stuff away. No, the thing in Hollis and yeah, I can see right here. So if y'all see like a glare, that's what it is. I didn't clean off my lens.
I saw the first one, the second one was
We gon' I don't know. It's just something about this 9 that I can't stop shooting. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be out of bullets. But we gonna switch it up. I just shot out my Winchester. No, I didn't. I got some more Winchester. We will be shooting. We will be shooting Team Marnark. So I also like the 10 mm. It's just the 10 mm is too strong for the camera, even when I'm shooting from afar. So yeah. Now this 9mm, it's fun. I wish I would have brought all of 9mm. Let's not do that. I see my carrier trying to move itself home. Stop. That should have knocked it. So yeah, the carrier just came back. Normally it always happened to me though. The carrier come back.
But if you're really trying to put rounds down range, you got to squeeze.
I really want the 10mm to work with the FRT, but I have nothing to say about the 40. I'm not gonna. I mean, not the 40, but the 9mm. But not even. I like that too. I like that. I can't go wrong with it. I be having to remember. I gotta pick this mic up because if I don't, and I rewatch the video, I might not even be able to hear myself because of all the shooting. But this is what we're gonna do. Since I'm running Winchester at 115 and I got Monarch, my next mag, I'm gonna run Monarch. Right now I'm running Winchester. I need to see something real quick. I know people always say that it is dirty or whatever. It is cheaper, but I mean, I've never had like that bad of a problem with it. You feel me? I'm running. Oh, let me get over some so y'all can see. We gon' but I'm just fighting. But we gonna try some of this Monarch. I also want to test the guide rod, the 24-pound guide rod in this. I do have the 22-pound guide rods in the 40 and the 10 millimeter. I know that Freedom Finger FRT that's to run those guide rods in the 45 variant. It's like 10 millimeters. The 40 cals should just run like right out. You know, they should run just right out. Like it shouldn't be no problem. Which it actually did. I mean, all I had to do was a small little bit of shit to rounding off the little part round off. And it's running. But that's my run 115 Monarch out of 9mm with the Freedom Finger FRT. I like that. I just know that the camera is moving. Y'all probably gonna see that in the video. But how that was just shooting, way flatter than the Winchester. I'm not gonna even lie. It itself. Winchester. I'm gonna run another mag. The Monarch. And then I'm actually bursting it now. I'm not trying to get the full mag on. Bursting it is more fun to me because then I got more time in my mag. I'm in the range. I'm not getting off. I want to enjoy my little hour, even though I'm a member. We're running Monarch again, and then we're gonna go back to Winchester. Push that up. It's hot. Again. Okay, now that was Monarch. That's Monarch. Now we're gonna go back. I can see it turning, boy. But we're gonna go back to the Winchesters, which is that's what we're doing now. We're gonna and see how it's running. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I hope y'all can hear me. Cause I know last time I was in here, boy, this bad boy. Well, the camera itself, hear anything. A little hear some of it, and then out. Oh, I gotta shoot the 43X. Hearing it right now. I gotta shoot the 43X. So I did get the NDZ. I think this is a 19-pound guide rod in the 43X. I don't remember. I did order it just because. But we're gonna get back on this. We almost done. This is my last round out of the box of Winchester. In my last box of Winchester, actually. Which that's what I normally get. I go to Academy and order them. Not order me them, but I buy them there, and I think I only got 16. So now in this, hold on. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the Monarch, it's not as like I feel like the Monarch makes it shoot flatter. And then oh shit. The what am I trying to say? The Winchester give it like way more power for some reason. I'll figure it out. This is I gotta tell you about in outside to the Atlanta Gun Club. We do have this rounds out of this 43 but I carry it every day. But when I come here, I forget every time. Especially with the God ride. So I'm gonna run it. I don't have in here yet, which I will soon. It's just snappy, but other than that, can't go wrong with it. Real snappy. But that's what you get out of, you know. But I don't even know what I had loaded in there. Oh, I had a defense round loaded in there, which I shouldn't have just shot, but I forgot that I got a lot more of that in the house anyway, so I ain't really sure. We're gonna run a little bit more of that. I'm just letting the M&P. I'm just letting that rest for. Letting that M&P rest for a second. Okay, so we full.
You got the force reset trigger.
Yeah.
What? How much?
He actually sponsored me now, but it was like $150.
They sponsor you?
Yeah, he sponsors me now.
Damn.
You want to run it?
Do he sponsor anybody else?
I mean, if you do the content and stuff, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to run it, you can. Yeah. Go ahead. Hold on. I get your rounds out. Go ahead and run it. And go with it.
I don't need that much.
Just put. You do whatever you feel. Huh?
You sure it's a force reset?
Yeah. What's the point? Oh no! I wasn't recording the whole time, y'all.
I got it. Don't worry about it. I'll grab it. I gotta worry.
I just found out I wasn't recording, y'all. I am so sorry. This whole thing over.
I get you.
So, I found out that I haven't been recording at all. I haven't been recording at all. I just found out I was not recording nothing. I just found out I wasn't recording. That's crazy. I just had great content. So now I'm going to have to show you what I was doing just in case I didn't get nothing or it just stopped recording. I don't know if it stopped recording because normally this is supposed to tell me, but my screen didn't tell me that it wasn't recording.
You want to get that?
But we with the 43X stock. I can't believe I wasn't recording. Since I wasn't recording, I gotta run the FRT. I wasn't recording the whole time, y'all. I just came in here and I felt like I was doing a 30-40 minute video. And I wasn't recording. And it's not showing me that I'm recording. My screen normally it pop up and say recording, but It's not telling me. It's crazy. That's crazy that it's not telling me that I'm not recording. If I'm not, oh well. This time. I can't believe that. That's like a whole 30 minutes. Now I want it real FRT. Just in case I didn't get that on camera, I'm running Freedom Figure FRT on my M&P 2.0 9mm this time. Last time it was the 40, but that on camera. Hopefully I got that on camera. If I got that on camera, I'll be happy, and that's okay. But right now I am running the 9mm FRT, the Glock 43X, and then the Glock 40 in 10mm. And I also have my M&P 10mm and my M&P and 40 cal. But I don't think I'm gonna shoot those. Kind of mad because I was just in here shooting for like 30 minutes thinking I was recording a video, and it was not recording. Now, hopefully this is recording, and then I don't have to go back in. Yeah, that sucks. Let's put this back. That was a whole 30-minute video that I thought I was just recording, and for some reason I feel like it's not recording right now. I'm gonna do is turn this way so I can see if it is recording. Cause boy, y'all don't know how bad that is when you think you're recording something and you're not, and it's a camera and all the stuff that happened is so great. Okay, we only got one more box of 9mm that we'll be running. Some of it I'm finna have to some of it I'm finna have to save for my Glock 42X. I might have to, and this isn't even a full box. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. 10 of these rounds are gonna go in my 43X, unfortunately, because that's what I carry when I leave here. And then the rest of them will just go to in the M&P. And it ain't gonna be many, but I would go out and buy some, but only reason I'm not really feeling like super down is because I know I got the 40 and the 10mm that I can run this FRT off of. But still, that just like content gone. So we're gonna put that back on the appendix. And look, y'all, I got, let me see, 7 rounds left that I'm gonna run out of 9mm M&P. I'm even looking on the floor to see if I got one, and I got one. Hold on. Which I'm gonna grab that bad boy. I'm gonna grab that. I had one that I dropped on the floor. I'm grabbing it. We need that content. Damn. Y'all, I thought I was recording the whole time. No need to keep talking about it. It is what it is. Hopefully I got an Allen key somewhere, and I'll just take this FRT off the 9mm and run it on a 10mm or the 40. Mainly we want to see the 10mm. I know he's been active on the 10mm, but I didn't get the part, which is why I wasn't ready. So let's go. Let me see. That's the 9mm. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna try the 10. Y'all, since I didn't get all of that on camera, we're gonna try to. So first, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna lock this back. Let me see what I got with me to take this off. I wish I had like a. Let me see what I got in here. That's pointy enough that can do it. I might have something on my keys. Let me try my keys. I'll try one of my keys. Cause what the okay, I got a key that'll do it. Only thing, I do not like doing certain stuff like this on camera. You know, y'all be crying in the comments. Oh my God, I can't believe he did. Shut up. It be for y'all. Content be for y'all, and y'all be crying. We're gonna take this bad boy off of here, and we're gonna put it on the 10. Now, I can't let y'all see me do that, so we just gotta hope it run off the 10mm. That's all I can say. And we run a MagTech, so. Now that we're running the 10mm, what did I just do? We got the Freedom Art FRT on the 10mm now. With the Hollison 507 comp that was sponsored by Hollison Josh over at Hollison. Now, this I really don't be want to run it for some reason, because I know part of me can't really control the damn thing unless I'm outside. So I'm gonna put the target all the way to the back. I'm gonna put this 40 feet because I do not want to shoot the target down. And then I'm not trying to run a whole mag out of it, so I'm only about to run about 10 to see how it's gonna feel, or if it's gonna run for real. Because last time I know I had the video and it was not running at all. That was not running. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna just do 10. Hopefully it runs. Now this is the second try out of the M&P 10mm with the Freedom Figure FRT. Hopefully it is. I think that the 24 pound is too strong for the FRT. Hold on. What's up?
Okay, cool. Okay.
What's wrong?
Hello?
Yeah.
What's the guest code for the parking?
The guest code for the parking? I'm gonna send you the login so you can start getting it, all right? Wait,
okay.
The login is the same thing as the rent. It's the Park Easy app, and then it should pull up.
You still gotta text it so don't forget.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. But yeah, I think because it don't even reset either. So if it's not resetting at all, not even resetting, it don't even lock. So there we go. So it's not doing what it's supposed to do, so we ain't gonna even try that no more. I'm not gonna even lie to you. We not even finna try that no more. We finna take it and go ahead and put it on the 40. And then the 10mm that I'll be shooting today is the Glock 40. Hold on. I'm finna have to text somebody some information real quick. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and take that off there. Put the regular back plate. And we'll just shoot this regular. How about that? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shoot this regular. Because I actually still like this gun. I don't like it more than the Glock 40 though. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe because the Glock 40 has longer slide or something. Hold on, we're gonna take this off, put this back on. I'm gonna get the 10mm to work one day. I'm not gonna even lie. I'm gonna get it to work because that's my goal, and that's what you want to see it work on for some reason. It's just gonna take, I feel like it's gonna take a lot more time. Now, am I finna? I do not want to run the 40, so I'm not for some reason. I go back to Atlanta Gun Club. But, I mean, now I am kind of bummed because I do want this 10mm to work. I do want this 10mm to work so bad. Wait, hold on. And I'm about to do a thumbnail real quick. Ooh. Thumbnail. Here we go. Thumbnail. Ooh. But now I'm gonna just talk about each gun because I'm not gonna lie. Now everything that I know about, like for example, I like this one the most, and this is the 9mm, but it's the same size as the Pro Series that I have in 40 cal. Which, let's get some rounds out of that without the FRT. Let's do that first, and then we'll talk about them. So yes, the first one that I did have was the 10mm, but for some reason I just never run that gun. I can't even lie to you. I just never really run it. It just sits in my closet. I'm not gonna lie, I don't carry it. I probably could say I carried it when I first got it, but then, yeah, will I ever carry it again? Who knows? Probably not. But yeah, I'm gonna just run this regular. Only, no, I'm kind of bummed because I didn't, kind of mad because I wasn't recording a whole, what you call it? Sorry, I got like 2 phones. 600, okay, cool. This is the M&P 40 Pro Series Performance Center in 40 cal. I'm not running an FRT on it. I'm just running the regular. But I do have the FRT with me. It's just on my M&P 9mm 2.0. Now, here we go. Step back. Keep your eyes open. I lied. I'm running that FRT. I'm sorry. I just have to. It's just a must that you run the FRT. Like, I'm not gonna even lie. It's just a must. Like, you have to. I'm putting that FRT on the 40 cal. I know she's gonna call me again. Like, what you doing? Like, sitting there, what you call it? No, I'm running the FRT. We taking the FRT off the 9mm and we're gonna run it on the 40. Cause that's already originally what I had it on in the first place. And that worked out the box after I did whatever I did, the little shaving or whatever. It worked. I think y'all be liking to see the 40 more anyway. It's way more exciting if you ask me. But the 9mm is like I can control it. That's all. That's just the difference. And I'm not gonna lie, I have way more 9mm ammo to run. So a lot of people like, here we go. We got it installed. Let me see. 14. We're gonna run that. We got it installed. Unfortunately, I gotta go back on my word and run it. Have to. Let me make sure it's recording, because I know my dumbass camera will stop recording. Okay, we good. We recording. Come on. We running the 40. And then I don't even know. Okay, if anybody know, I go to a store called Adventure Outdoors. That's where I'm gonna get like most of my guns from. It's the biggest store in Georgia. They either gonna be sent, or I might walk into some random store. Yeah. Like most of my handguns are gonna come from there. And most of my ARs are gonna be either built myself, or a lower will be, not a lower, but an upper might be sent. They definitely sent me a 308 upper. So thank you to them. But what? It's 14. It's not 15. Now, normally I run the whole 15, but this is the free to figure FRT 40 M&P 2.0. Now this is gonna run. It runs every time. This is too strong. This is way too powerful. So I think the ammo that I'm running, I'm not gonna lie, when I was shooting, what was I shooting? The Winchester, it was not hitting. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was not hitting like this. So this is a gun that I have to shoot. I'm not gonna lie, this is a gun I have to shoot outside. 15. And we're gonna run it closer. Oh no, that's real close. That's closer than I expected. 10. Cause this shit is crazy. I ain't gonna even lie, that shit hitting crazier than I expected it to. We lost it. No, we didn't. So I'm not gonna lie, running that. I'm gonna run that back when I get back to Atlanta Gun Club. That's it. I'm hitting the roof and everything. I gotta calm down. It's different when I was running the Winchesters though. But, which I think that's what I'll be running out of that from now on. The Winchesters. Whatever those are. And I bought them from Adventure Outdoors. And it was just on the website. When I get home, I'll be able to tell. Other than that, no. Now, we're gonna go back to the 30. Not the 30, but about 40. This is a gun I always run. I can't even lie to you. I like Glocks this size for some reason. I don't know why. We're gonna step back. They be moving the camera. Look at that. Y'all see that? The camera be moving. I gotta, this is another gun I'm gonna have to run at Atlanta Gun Club. I'm gonna have to run it. Cause then it's like, I can get a little bit farther back. I gotta be all close up to the camera and stuff like that, so. You know how that goes. But, now this is a solid optic on it. And this battery been working since I got it. And I don't even remember when they sent me this. Oh, I need to put some oil on. I need to spray him. Hold on. This is just fresh out the can. I mean, fresh out the box. Do it that way. Yeah. This gonna go straight up on YouTube. I'm not doing that. Well, I may do some extra editing and stuff like that now that I have to. But, oh, that's why. I'm using the wrong mag. FRT. I'm gonna have to yeah. I'm gonna have to run that 40. I have to run that 40 outside at Atlanta Gun Club. It's just raining a lot in Atlanta right now, so it's kind of hard to do that when it's raining. How you doing? Oh, nothing. I'm getting to the point. So now the workers are asking to run the FRT. So it's like if I see me look, I be feeling like they about to say, "Oh, you got the FRT." And I'm like, a lot. I mean, I got my money's worth with everything it came with. It was like $750, of course, but can't go wrong with it. Now the Solly is zeroed in. I'm not gonna lie. That Solly is zeroed in. 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 Now, I can't even lie. The Solly optic is zeroed in, and it's not losing zero. No matter what gun I put no matter what gun I put this optic on, it has not lost its zero. Going back at it. Now, I am very impressed with the Solid optic on the Glock 30. I keep saying Glock 30, Glock 40, Gen 4. I can't lie. The Solid optic, y'all be doing y'all thing over there. I wish the Hollison was on, which I got to get a battery for, which the battery is in my pocket, but it's dead. So I just got the battery in my pocket. So when I go to CVS or wherever I go and order it, I know which one to get. Both of these were sponsored though, so it's just dead. I think this is finna be my last couple. I'm a rapid fire. Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, we're gonna pack it up. Go ahead and get up out of here. Yeah, go ahead and get up out of here. And then I'm gonna set up a range day real soon. I'm gonna set up a range day for Atlanta Gun Club, but I gotta figure out what day it's not gonna be raining. Now, if I was using my phone, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't care, but I'm not using my phone, so I have to care. Yo, I'm gonna call you when I got damn leave. Where I'm at. My brother. This is a 9. Let's go for the 40. everything. We're gonna fix this. This way. Pull this down. Like this. That's why. Damn. I'm tripping. I almost forgot to put the back plate on. Let's put the back plate back on there. But yeah, I think I'm running. Hopefully it's not raining outside when I go. That's gonna be my worst. That's my worst nightmare. I'll be carrying all this stuff. And the worst thing that can happen is I don't even be caring. Damn. I just noticed the mic wasn't on my body. Put it in my pocket. Grab this.